Today on this Millennial Review, we're going to be installing some OMotion screen protectors onto my Google Pixel 2. So I just picked up this phone, and one of the first things you should always do with a new phone is it's time to add some screen protectors. So I'm going to unbox this, show you just the quality and how these install. And then of course, if you want a set of these screen protectors for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. And so inside of here, it's going to come with a jig to be able to install these properly. And then you're also going to get a set here. This is going to be the instructions as well as some tools to be able to clean up the phone. And then of course it's going to come with a 2-pack of these screen protectors. Now these are a tempered glass screen protector, so it's going to keep this touchscreen working the way that it should, and they should look incredibly nice when we install them. So we'll go ahead and open up the packaging here. And inside, you're going to get some of these sticky dust absorbers, which we'll use that in a moment. You're also going to get a card that's going to ask you to review it. A couple of these wet cloths or alcohol cloths to be able to clean it up. And then you're going to get a nice instruction guide. So the first task to clean this up is actually going to be to use this alcohol wipe. And the reason we're going to use this is actually going to help take any fingerprints or things like that off of the screen. Now I should mention, when you do this new, it's going to be much easier. You're not going to have anywhere near as much in the way of oils or things like that to take off. But especially if it's used, and even if it's new, you want to clean it up really nice and well. So you'll go ahead and do that, and then at this point you're going to take your little microfiber that it comes with, and you can actually use the microfiber here to wipe along the screen, and this is going to help clean it up incredibly well. So you'll see the screen itself is very, very clean. But finally, it's going to be a good idea to then take one of these dust absorbers, which what this basically is a sticky material that's actually not going to have any issues with leaving residue. And so you can use this to now place it down on the screen and then just pull back, and this is going to make sure to get anything off of the screen that might still be there. So we'll put that aside, and then now you can use your jig, and it's actually going to be written which one is the top and which is the bottom. And so you use this jig and slide it right onto the phone just like this. Now you can actually see there's one speck of dust right there, so got to do a little bit more cleaning here. Because the cleaner the phone is, the better this is going to come out. Once you get that cleaned up, now you can take this screen protector out of its packaging. So here you can peel off the backing of the screen protector, and it's going to be really important not to touch the back of it. But because we have our jig, you can actually line this up and then let it press down. Now you'll see, if you look closely, it's going to start to take most of the bubbles out as the glass actually lays down. But it came with this little pick to be able to use to start squeegeeing out some of the air here. So we'll go ahead and let it start to get pressed down. like so. And then you're going to have the squeegee, which is going to allow you to start taking the air bubbles out. And at this point, you can now take your jig off of it and then just start to squeegee out any of the bits of air that are left on the screen protector. And after a fair bit of working around, you can see that everything is pressed down. I don't have any air bubbles underneath here, so it installed well. But at this point, I suggest you use your cloth that you used earlier, the alcohol pad. Go ahead, clean up the screen, and then just use your microfiber. And now you've got a really nice looking screen protector installed, and you can see that it did a really great job because we've got no bubbles underneath it. And I've got to say, the jig that it came with was key in getting this to install really nice. So now you've got that all set up. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And remember, if you want these screen protectors for yourself, go ahead, click the link down in the description below. That way you can get them and support the channel while you're at it.